Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you install the remote drain pump kit components in your ice machine, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply to the appliance. The appliance should also be pulled away from the wall or cabinet. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Detach the existing drain hose from the ice bin port, if applicable. Now unthread the retainer to release the power cord from the base. Align the retainer on the new drain pump power cord and secure it to the base with the screw. Position the pump assembly on the base. Then thread the provided mounting screws to secure. Now connect the ice machine power cord to the pump. You can use a zip tie to help reduce the slack on the power cord. Install the ice bin to pump drain hose by attaching one end to the ice bin port and the opposite end to the appropriate drain pump port. Secure it with the provided screw clamps. Attach the curved end of the vent tube to the vent port and secure it with the clamp. Attach the drain hose to the drain port and use the clamp to secure. Thread the screws to secure the 3 vent tube retaining clips on the upper access panel. Feed the vent tube through the clips. Reinstall the lower access panel, making sure the drain pump power cord, along with the vent tube and drain hose, are accessible through the notches in the panel. Follow local codes and ordinances when connecting the outlet end of the drain hose to a drain. Avoid connecting the hose to a closed pipe system to keep drain water from backing up into the ice machine. The drain hose must terminate at an open site drain with a maximum rise of 10 feet and a maximum run of 100 feet. Plug the drain pump power cord into the electrical outlet. With the installation complete, move the appliance back against the wall or into the cabinet space, and the ice machine should be ready for use.